The first step is collecting the soil sample at a certain depth. Next is processing the soil by passing it through the number 4 sieve. Mix about 250 grams of soil with a little water to form a uniform paste. Next is the seasoning process. Add the paste into a plastic bag and allow it to sit for at least 30 minutes. In the meantime, let's set up the instrument. This is the CASAGRANDE apparatus. It is a device used for determining the liquid limit of a soil sample. It was developed by an engineer, CASAGRANDE, in the 1920s. The apparatus consists of a brass cup that can be raised and dropped at a specific distance in a standard manner. So you need to calibrate the cup so that there is a consistency in the drop. Now, using a spatula, add the sample in the CASAGRANDE cup. And here, don't add too much sample. Just add a small quantity. Using the grooving tool, cut a groove at the center line of the cup. Then turn the crank and count the number of blows. You don't really need to count. This part of the instrument does that for you. Just keep turning and watch the soil sample as it closes together. And then stop when there is a clear visible closure of about 13 mm. Then record the number of blows. This number of blows should be between 10 to 40. If the number of blows doesn't fall within this range, adjust the moisture content by adding water if it is too dry, or adding dried sample if it is too wet. Now, collect part of the sample and determine the moisture content. You can check out my video about how to determine moisture content. Link in description. Repeat the same procedure for different trials.